Now an Education Matters Minute.
We're making ice cream in a bag. This is a great activity to do at home using items you can find right in your kitchen. And it's also a great enrichment activity to promote math and science skills. So let's get started. First thing you're gonna do is take a small bag and add 3 cups of milk, 3 tablespoons of vanilla, and a whole lot of sugar. Now what you're gonna do is take your small bag and put it inside of a big gallon bag. Now I'm going to add my ice and a whole lot of salt and get to shaking. What you're gonna do is you're gonna carefully open both bags and make sure you don't get salt into your second bag. I'm gonna take some ice cream out of my bag, and then you're gonna go ahead and add whatever toppings you wanna add to your ice cream. I'm more of a gummy bears and blackberries kind of girl. Oh, this is so good. For Education Matters Minute, I'm Shariah Gray, math teacher at Edison High School.
Education Matters is a partnership with the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools. Watch these stories Mondays at 6:30 on KC24.